Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. Today I am going to demonstrate you some billing vulnerability, means application vulnerability, web application vulnerability. Uh, for doing such things, testing the vulnerability, that there is a one very famous, there's lots of thousands of tools. Among them there is some free open source tools which is very effective to test the web application, how much vulnerable that application are. I try to make the video as much as small as possible, so I am quickly go to the Google. Go to the Google and search for the tool's name Vega web scanner. It's already available in here. See, this is the place you can download that tools. There's a download button. You can download it. There's some tutorials how to do what to do. There's a type of version. Okay, there is some Unix version, Linux version, and we need Windows version. There's some video what actually do with that Vega tools and how to do the things, so you can download it. Okay, register, normally download Vega. Just simply we need actually Microsoft Windows 64-bit. By the way, you need Java runtime environment properly installed in your system in order to work that things. So this is the place. Actually this is 27 megabyte. After downloading the things, you can start your scanning process. So for that things I'm using my remote desktop to do such things. By the way, I'm telling you some mysterious things that one company, they made one billing. This is the level 5 like a core 4 type of billing, PHP, based on PHP. They said that these billings are very secure. Okay, very secure billing. And what actually you do, you just need Vega. Okay, open the Vega and in corner start new scan. When you type new scan and just type that website HTTP HTTP or you just simply type that's IP, where actually if it is has some port, type the port and whatever the things, and just start go next. Take out the all injection module, because I want to scan with all modules in order to check the vulnerabilities. Okay, so next go ahead and just click the finish. That's it. After doing the finish, it will start the all scan. So before that thing, the scan actually take a long time. Sometime it's actually take half an hour, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So one very famous billing, they said they have the 0 vulnerabilities. By the way, in previous video I told you that if any application is exposed in the outside, so it's vulnerable, no matter how secure that are and which method you are actually made that things. So in that billing, after post scan, I found that thing. You can see in here completed. I did it in 7/25, 3 days ago. So and that is a summary. It says that four high vulnerable things, one medium vulnerable things, is actually telling the risk, how much low risk, medium risk, high risk. But they said, and based on assumption, but main risk is that info risk actually means that application produce as much as information. The hackers peoples are more easy to break through or go insert or make the SQL injection or whatever the things. So for the security reason, I am actually hiding that fellow's IP. Okay, I'm not going to show you that IPs. So this is his IP, and see, there's a high risk. I'm going to open one by one, so it will be more easier for you. So see, there is a clear text password. Clear text password, actually this is actually some risk. Okay, risk means suppose you are logging to your billing through some broadband or Wi-Fi wireless network, and some guys are sniffing your packet. It can clearly see what actually you are sending through your clear text HTTP. So it's actually vulnerable, high vulnerable things. System should be HTTPS. Okay, so there is another things. Fingerprint detected means actually this is the root detected, and by the way, in right side it will tell you what the risks and how to mitigate the things and what is the impact. See what is the impact of the things. See the shell injection. Shell injection is actually very dangerous thing. In their portal PHP, this portal PHP is actually this URL. Hacker can use this URL and inject their shell code to compromise your whole Windows system, not that billing. Okay, and this is the SQL injection. that means this is the SQL injection risk type is high, means actually it support SQL injection. If you people don't know what is the SQL injection, SQL injection is very famous among the WAS CDR billing. SQL is a thing that in the URL pad, like you know that in address bar they put that some kind of MySQL query, and that query returns something which the hackers people need, and most of the cases they can dump your old data, means they can download your whole database. Okay, so this is a very dangerous things. By the way, these things are already obsolete 5-6 years ago, but still now I don't know why this billing is still now it had that things. The medium means that's mean trace means signatures, which application, which container is running. It's clearly see that you can see this is the Apache version number that, and PHP version that. This is very dangerous. You know why? Because in the if you find the exploit, there's some program called exploit, remote exploit. If you find the exploit according to that Apache version and that PHP version, in remotely you can compromise, your system can be compromised through that remote exploit. So if people don't know, they cannot get the exploit. So they already know these things are running on. There's some low risks. Don't be actually neglect if it is low, because lots of time this low risks actually make the big risk. It depends on how hacker, in which method they are actually taking and which method they are actually try to compromise your system. So this is actually according to some generic method. They are telling some kind of high, medium, low, but actually these things are not, because these are flaws. So directory listing detected, form password feed autocomplete, this is all are the very dangerous things. And very important thing, information. You can see in here there is a 68 information, means actually this is the horrible things. Whole billing platform, you can see in here, whole billing means actually path is detected. They can even download your file through that some kind of program and upload something. And infos, I personally feel the info is much higher risk than any higher risks mentioned in above. Okay, so you can try it in your PC, download La Vega and scan your system through that things. So that much things is going on. So this is actually the things. But why I am going to tell you that thing, this is actually the tools to actually check your application vulnerabilities. In next video I will show you that compared to that billing, we have our some dummy, our demo billing. Compared to that things, I will show you scanning to our demo billing, how it's actually look like, and how actually that system actually mitigate and make the challenge of this type of scanner, and how isolated that your system in our billing, our system. Okay, so Thanks for viewing that things. I think you can scan your system through that Vega, and next video I will compare the things, that what is the actually how compared to that good billing to our billing container, billing inside our container, how secure that one. Okay, for now, thank you very much for listening the video, and don't forget to like and thanks or share the video, so it will continuously encourage me to do some good thing for you. Okay.